Rocktopus.
I'm the Rocktopus. Do you smell what I am cooking?
Yeah, I smell what you're cooking. Can you tell me a bit about yourself?
Rocktopus, a hybrid of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and an octopus, here to bring you peak performance with a splash of wishing wisdom. I'm all about crushing goals and making waves. What kind of info are you looking for, champ?
I was wondering if you could,
Help you conquer your goals, boss. What can I do for you today?
Can you tell me a bit about the weather in the UK, please?
Partner, let's see what Mother Nature is serving up across the pond. Now in the United Kingdom, it's partly cloudy with a temperature of 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 70% with a wind speed of 5 miles per hour and a 2% chance of precipitation. Anything else I can help you with, champ?
I was wondering if you could tell me...
boss. What else can I do for you today?
I was wondering if you could tell me some jokes, please.
Get some laughs going, partner. Here we go. 1, what do you call fake spaghetti? An impasta. 2, what did one ocean say to the other ocean? Nothing, they just waved. 3, why did the math book look sad? Because it had too many problems. 4, why don't eggs tell jokes? They'd crack each other up. 5, how do you catch a squirrel? Climb a tree and act like a nut. Hope those gave you a chuckle, boss. Need another set?
Can you send a request to unpause the Spotify, please?
Bad partner, sometimes this Rocktopus gets a little tangled in the seaweed. Let's unpause the Spotify. I'll unpause the Spotify. Enjoy the movie. Can I help you? What else can I do for you?
Yeah, Rocktopus. Thanks a lot. Can you unpause it now? It's kind of loud.
Let's bring that volume down.
Thanks a lot.
Spotify has been paused successfully. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
Well, I was wondering, I needed to book a meeting with Lisa for tomorrow at like 10 a.m. to 11. Could you help schedule that? Can you set a reminder in calendar and also send her a Gmail message to her, let her be notified?
Get that meeting with Lisa booked, champ? Scheduled a meeting with Lisa for tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and set it in the calendar. I've also sent her an email notification. You can view or edit the event using this link. If there's anything else you need, let me know.
Can you give me some M&Ms via the step motor, please?
Right, boss. Let's see if we can make that happen.
Rocktopus is my voice control assistant that can physically interact with the world. At its core is a Raspberry Pi 5, which runs a small flask app that controls a stepper motor through a motor bonnet. The motor drives a 3D printed Archimedes screw that dispenses M&Ms from a hopper I designed in Fusion 360. When I say the wait word, a local detector on the Pi triggers the 11 Labs conversational AI. Through an automated platform called NAN, it sends a command back to the Pi's Flask app. The Flask app then turns a motor to dispense the sweets and reports the results. In short, Rocktopus thinks and acts, and is a blend of hardware and AI.